Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. And today we are working on an 18 by 24 inch canvas. I am using, for my base colors, I'm using Pale Olive by Amsterdam. And I am also using Oxide Black by Amsterdam. So I'm going to go ahead, let me torch out these air bubbles once again. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and begin. So I am using Pearl Green by Amsterdam. That's my first color. Okay. Here at the bottom, I went a little lower because I want my flow to come from there. Next color, I'm using Pearl Apricot Orange, and this is by Arteza. I don't know how these colors are gonna work out, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. Tell me what you think so far. What do you think of these colors? Next, I have Pale Umber by Winsor and Newton. Okay. My next color is Van Dyke Brown by Amsterdam. I don't know. What do you guys think about this one? I'm hopeful. But I did want to try something different. Next, I have Olive Green by Arteza. I will be adding a little bit of 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Just a little bit. The colors look pretty together. What do you think? And last, I have Bronze by Arteza. I kind of like the colors of the flow, and I'm thinking, what if I do that on a like titanium buff base? That's an idea. Tell me what you think about that. So we're gonna go ahead, torch out the air bubbles. Okay, and let me move this out of the way. And we are gonna go ahead and begin. I would have never thought of this, but I actually love this color palette. I think it's super cool. I'm just tracing my black because I think it looks awesome. Love it. So I kind of ran that streak down. Love it. So I'm just kind of connecting. This I'm pushing back. Okay. I am super happy with these flows. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Tell me what you guys think. Wait till you come down to see this beauty. I can't wait to this is beautiful, and I love how the black just kind of like came over the sides. It's absolutely a beautiful piece. I am super happy with this one. Let me clean it up and meet me down here at the canvas. Let's take a look. Come on. Okay, so take a look at this beauty. I'm gonna bring you in, but look at the overhead. Look how it looks. And I'm gonna bring you in and tell me if these colors you think if they work. Take a look at those cells. Love it. Look how it fans out. Check out those cells, gigantic cells here. Look at the webbing and lacing. Beautiful. Check that out. And this is a big painting, so I am at kind of up, standing so far from it above. Now check that out. Look at this beauty. I love that part up there. And it has such a beautiful coat, a beautiful, look at that. See how beautiful that is? That's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at the ginormous cells. And it has a beautiful blanket of shimmer. Check that out. Look at that beautiful webbing in there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Tell me what you think about this one. Look at that. I'm obsessed with it. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I like it. I love it. Check that out. Beautiful reaction from all the paints. Check her out. Look at that. Burst of cells. Gorgeous composition. Love how it fans out down here. And yeah, there she is. Beautiful painting. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, leave a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you for joining me here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.